Hi, I'm Najwa with Wapazi and my CU ID number is 9057632. So today I'll be filming a video about how do I create two pages for e-corporate training website by using Curvit by Wix. A detailed explanation on how I created both of the page will be explained. So this is the final looks of how my About Us page that I have created for e-corporate training website. So basically, I will just explain briefly or show you briefly of what I have done for the two pages. So first, we'll start with the About Us page. So here, as you can see, I have put a video at the upper part of the page where it make it a bit interesting for the user once they click the About Us page. Then I've put the content for the pages, and this is the content about the company in detail. So whenever the user would like to know more about the company, they can click at the About Us page and just read it here so they can know what kind of product or training or services that the company is offering or provided. So at the last part of the About Us page, I have put the video again just to make it interesting a bit. And also I have put a button, that's button of Connect with Us, where once the user click this button, it will link to the Contact Us page. So I just show it, click there. Okay, it already linked to the Contact Us page. Okay, back to the About Us page. So the button that I have created here is it got some interaction where I put hovering color. It will change the color text once the user click there. See, there's a difference. So basically, this is the footer page of the About Us page and also other pages as well. They have the menu of the site, the details about the company, the location, phone numbers, emails, and also subscription form. So I will show you the second pages that I have created for e-corporate training website, which is services page. Services page is the pages where it shows what kind of rooms that offer by the e-corporate training company. So basically, there are three samples of room that I have put in the service pages, which is the first one is the huddle room. I put a video because video will make things much clearer and have a better view when the user have view it, so they can know what the real looks like of the room, and they can also know the features or technologies that have been used for the room. So on the right side is the details about the room, how many people can get in the room, and this room is suitable for what, and the price of the room also has been displayed. So it's the same with this as well. So this is book now button, where once the user has clicked this book now button to book their desired room, it will bring the user to down part of the booking form for the room. So here the user need to fill up all of the details first before they click the submit booking button. If they just click the submit booking button without entering or fill up the detail, it will not submit their form. Okay, so they need to write their name, company, email address, phone numbers, and choose their type of room, which is provided at the services page. They can choose one, and then they can choose what date they would like to book the room. Okay, here is the calendar view. So I'll just show one example, then later on I will show the submission form of what the user has entered. It will be stored into the database. So I just key in my name, the email, company, phone number. Okay, type of room, I choose conference rooms. The booking date might be 25th of February and agree. Click submit. Okay, once you click submit, it will have the notification of this. Thanks for your booking. A detailed booking will be sent to your emails. So, done for viewing of the 2 pages that I have created. So, I will show you how did I customize all the features in both of the pages. So this is the About Us page that I have created for a corporate training website. So I will show on how do I created this About Us page. So first part is the header of the page itself. The one that I have put here is the video. So how do I get the video is by just click at the media and then scroll down. Okay, you choose this one, free weeks videos. Click more and then you just type business, enter. So this is the current video that I have choose and put up in my header. So you click the video and just click add to a page. Once you click add to page, it will be add your video here. Okay, so you can customize, you can drag down if you want a larger size of video and so on. So this video in the header I have stored in database of under the page of About Us, where you can click here at database. Okay, new collections, and then you just type the name of your data sets and then choose the general permissions of who can view the image or videos. Okay, you have a lot of options. Okay, like me, I have choose the site content, then you just create the collections. Okay, once you have create the collections, you will have this kind of data sets of database. Okay, you click here. This is under About Us page. So here, as you can see, there are a few images that I have stored under the database. Okay, this is the video that I have put in the header where you see just now. Okay, I'll show you how to add another field if you would like to store another image or video. So for the video just now, I just add a name for it, like video. Then field type, you need to choose what kind of data that you want to store in the database. So if video, then you need to search for video field. So this is it, and click add. So it will be adding in the fields of under About Us database. So here you can click add video, like just now, the same thing. Okay, media from weeks, business, then you can choose this one and add to page as well. So your video now has been added in the database. Okay, So once you has added in database, you just click scenes. It will be scenes directly to your pages. You see this one is the pop-up things. Copy all items and sandbox collection to live. So scenes. Okay, once you have scenes, you just close the page just now. So here, as you can see, it's already connected to data. If you would like to connect to which data, you just click here, choose the data set just now that you have created, and then which column background that you would like to connect to. So like this one is under the video of about us. Okay, just now is this one that we created, but we haven't used it because that one is just a sample to show you. Okay, that is how I store my videos image into the database. So here is the content that I have put in the about us page. So basically, how do you enter or write the content? You can just click add and choose text. Okay, you can choose which kind of text that you want, then just click, it will be appear here. Then you can customize your text by double click there, and then you can choose the fonts style that you want. Basically, for the whole page of about us, I just use the same style of fonts, which is Kepler, and then you can choose the size of font, the font size that you want, then the effect if you wanted to have any effect of the font, and so on. Okay, and then here for this part is the image where I also store into the database. As you can see here, it's connected to data, which means all of these images are already connected to the database just now that I have created. So I'll show you which one is the database later, but first I'll finish the about us page first. Okay, so this is the part where the users or the potential customers can view and know more about your company, what is the company offer, what are the service they provided, and so on. Okay, and then this same like the header part, this is the image that I have insert. You can just click add here and then click image, so you can choose whether to upload by your own or to just click at the free Wix image. This is from media from Wix. Okay, this one, and just type anything that related to your company website. So maybe conference. Here you can got the image. If you want to image, you just click image. If illustration, you can choose illustration. When you click the image, choose the image, you can click add to page and it will be appear here, and then you can customize the size of the page. So here I have added another video for the last part of the about us page, just to make it a little bit interesting for the users who view the page. And then here I have added a text button, where the text button you can get it here, click add and then button. So choose that button. There are variety of text button that you can choose. Just choose the one that's suitable for your website. When you click, it will appear here, and then you can customize your design button. Okay, you can choose button design, customize your design, and so on. I have added a little bit interactions, which is the hover part. Once the user click the button, it will change the color of the buttons. Okay, become to red. That's how it works for the design part. And then here is the link of where you would like the button to be linked to. So for this one, text button of connect with us, I would like to link to the contact us page. So just click at link icon, then choose pages, which means it will be linked to other pages. Which page? Okay, like I mentioned just now, I would like to link the connect with us button to the contact us page. So just choose contact us page, and then how do you like it to be open? So basically I want it to be open in the current window, so it won't open the new window. Once the user click the connect with us button, it will just open the contact us button on the current window without opening the new window, like that. So done for this part. Down part is the footer page or footer part, which basically the same for all of the pages. So we have the menu side here, and then the details about the company, the phone numbers, emails, the locations of the company, and then the subscribe form where the user can enter their email here and click joins. Okay. And then another one things that I have done is the live chat features. The live chat features, you can got it from add also. Okay, then you can choose the more, and then you can choose the Wix chats. Okay, here just click here, and then you can customize your live chat. So here is the setting of the Wix chats. Okay, this one is the setting. You can choose whether you want to enable the visitor chat or not. Okay, and so on. And then this is the part of layout with chat, where you can choose what kind of layout of the chatbot that you want, whether you want it to be bar or rounded, just like that. Okay, then I choose rounded as it will not annoy the users who had entered the pages. So the chatbot position is on the bottom right here, and the new message display is show in the bubble notifications and not in the open chat. This is in the open chat where it will just open up like that, and here is the bubble notification where it just open up like pop out like that, this small one. So here also you can design the which chat of your live chat, okay, which color that you want, the background, and so on. And that is how I did for the about us pages and also the live chat using Wix chat. So now I'll continue with the second pages that I have done, which is the services page. So for the services page is where basically the page of what are the service that the company has offered to their customers. So basically the one that has been offered by e-corporate training company is the facilities to rent a room, such as huddle room for digital conference, and then conference room itself, and also collaboration space where suitable for meeting and so on. So here is the same thing, the header part. I have used image where I get it from media source Wix. Okay, and then this one, download it first from the YouTube, and then only I upload it here. So then I customize the size of this video to become like this, not so big. And then this big play button, I have also customized the design. I choose to have a color of like light red like that. And then the design of the button also, you can choose which design that you want. Okay, then the purpose of I have put this video is to make the user have a better and clearer view of the room, so that the user can see the real room that they are going to rent. So on the right side, I have put the details of the room, the name of the room, how many people that can use the room, and this room is suitable for what, and the price of the room for rent 1 day as well. So here the button, like I mentioned earlier at the About Us page, I have get it the button here at the button, text button, and choose the text button, and it will be appear here. So this book now text button, I have linked it to top button of pages, which is basically I have linked it to bottom of the page, where at the bottom of the page there is a booking form that allow user to fill up the booking form. Okay, fill out the booking form and submit the booking if they would like to rent any of the room. So they need to fill up all the field here. So this is the Wix form that I have used, one of the features that provide by Wix, or provide by Curvit by Wix. So here you can design the field of how you wanted it to be. It's the same thing like the button just now. You can fill up the colors, the borders, text, and so on. This apply the same thing to the email address, company name, and so on. So here the type of room, this is actually a drop down list where you can customize it and put what are the list of room that you would like to put there. So you just can click at manage choice. So here you can put the name of the room that you would like it to be appear. Once the user has clicked type of room, it will be drop down list in a view of drop down list. Okay, so if you have another choice that you want to add in, you just click the add a choice, it will be added here. So this one you can also design it how you like to design. Okay, so on. Okay, for this one is a date picker features where it can edit the field. So here you just put the placeholder text booking date, so that easier for the user to know what are these features are all about. Okay, and then the date format you can choose. The general setting required field is because you wanted to make sure that the user has choose the booking date only, the form can be submitted. If not, if the user haven't choose the booking date, your booking form cannot be submitted. That's it. Okay, so here is the design part of the date picker design. For the calendar, you can choose which color of background that you want for the calendar. So basically it's the same customization for each of the button, the text form, or the other things that can be customized. So this Wix form will be linked to the form submissions. Once the user has clicked the submit booking, you can view all the details are stored at the database of form submissions. I'll show. This is the form submissions database for booking room services. So view the table. This one that I have created for the booking room service form just now. So once the user has entered their details and submit the booking form, they will be recorded over here. They will be stored over here, all the details. You can see the submission time, the date, email address, representative name, company name, phone numbers, type of room that they have choose, the booking date, and terms checkbox, whether they have clicked or tick the checkbox or not. So this is the record of database for booking room services. So here is the services page database where I store this image just now at the header page of service page, this one. So this one also has been linked or connected to the data. So that is how the services page and about us page has been created for this e-corporate training. Now I would like to show on how did I add my other team members to be one of the contributor for this e-corporate training website. So basically I'm the owner of the Wix website of e-corporate training because I'm the one who set up this website at first. So the way that I add my team members to have an access to this e-corporate training website by Wix is just click at the site actions and then click add contributor. Then here I'll just add the emails of my other team members. Once I have clicked the emails, I'll just choose the roles as admin where they can have full access to the site, but it is quite limited because they cannot edit the payment info or delete or duplicate the site, but they can still publish the site. So by doing this, they can do their part of pages that they have been assigned to. So the email has been added, the role has been chosen, then just click at the send invite. So once they have received the invitation at the email, they will click the join and then automatically they are part of the contributor. So here, as you can see, contributor, this is the team members in my group. So that's it.